Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to disable direct messages on Instagram. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines from the top right corner. From the bottom, go to Settings. Now select Notifications. Then go to Messages. These are all the different options related to messages. Just disable all of them. First one is Message Request. Second one is Group Request. And then Messages. And Video Chats also. If you turn all those off, basically it's as good as turning off direct messages altogether. So these are all the things you need to know about disabling direct messages on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.